Anyway, so I'm a big fan of multi-tools. Essentially, the ones I like, the Leatherman. I've tried others. I've tried Gerber. I think I've even got a Gerber at home. And I think SOG make them. Lots of different companies make them. This one is a particularly old one. It's Leatherman Wave, not even a Wave Plus. It's probably a good 25, maybe even older. I've got a couple of them. I've got a Super Tool and I've got a little wee micro one. They're extremely useful. They don't do the job of the full-size tool, but I'll show you what they do. So this little thing here, to replicate that, and I carry it. I work all the time, just constantly. So there's that, right? So to replicate that, I need what else has this got in it? Okay, so it's got okay, knife blade. I don't have another serrated knife anywhere, but a knife. It's got a normal blade as well. So here we go, normal blade. Get those away so I don't chop myself. It's got a little hacksaw. It's got a couple of files. File, and it's got a diamond file. I don't have another diamond file, but I must have another file somewhere around here. Okay, so another file. What we've got on the other side here. Okay, so this is just a saw. Okay, so those are those tools. On this side, I've got can opener, bottle opener. Don't have anything like that. It's also a wire stripper. Crimper, it's got a crimping thing, Phillips screwdriver, Phillips. This one's a bit ugly, Phillips, and this one is a ordinary screwdriver, so ordinary flathead. Right, and that's it on that side. Those away. Right, on this side, what have we got? Right, here's scissors. Actually, the scissors on these are really quite good. So pair of scissors, and what else have we got? 3 different flatheads, different sizes. One's a little wee mini one. The thing with the little wee mini one is that it also works as a little wee Phillips. Just kind of the size of it. So a little wee mini screwdriver. Here we go. Here's one here. Screwdriver, and then on the pliers, it's got ordinary pliers, same as that, measle nose pliers, which are a bit different, and gripping ones. So needle nose pliers. Needle nose pliers. So these are my only kind of needle nose. I might have them out in my other tool. Okay, so yeah, you choose basically. Let's pick you up and have a look. So this one tool here does all of those. So which would you rather carry? This all of those. Oh, in addition to this, I've got one other thing which is particularly useful, which doesn't weigh very much and adds to it. I'll do that now. Actually, two little things. One is a little wee ratcheting screwdriver, which you clip on there. And two, there's this set of 6 extra pieces. So this makes it that big. But I was to add these things to that. So we've got 2 flat heads, 1, 2. I've got a really small little Phillips, we'll call it that. And then I've got another flat head, and then 2 other Phillips, big one, that's not a Fox, we'll call it that. And then from time to time, although you shouldn't, I use it as a hammer. So what have we got? This little kit here, this little kit here. So this thing goes on my belt. I carry this other little bit here. This carried on my belt, but it kept falling off my belt, so I'll stick it in a little pouch I carry, and that takes care of it. Weighs very little. Weighs, I'd hate to actually think, but yeah, that's why I like and use Leatherman. Cheers.